Call him. Call Nacho.
Nacho. Nacho. Nacho.
He thinks it's funny how he...
Nacho. Come here. Nacho.
Go see Daddy. Go see Daddy, Nacho. Come on. No, don't call him again.
Nacho. Nachi. Come here, Nacho.
He's laughing his butt off.
Nacho, come here.
He's did a squeal.
Nacho. Nacho, come here. Nacho, come here, brother. Come here, Nacho.
What is that?
That's the hardest I think I've ever heard him laugh. Nacho, come here. Come here, Nacho.
Call him Nacho again.
Nacho, come here. Nacho, come here.
What is so funny about that?
Nacho, come here. Nacho, come here. Look at Nacho. Look at Nacho. You want to touch him? You want to touch him? Nacho. Nacho.
He's got...
Nacho's funny, dude.
Call Nacho one more time. It's like it hurts him to laugh that hard. Henry! Call Nacho again.
Nacho, come here. Come here, Nacho. Nacho, come on. Come on, Nacho. Come on. Nacho. Nacho's so confused.
Nacho!
Nacho.
Oh my goodness. He is just having a blast.
Nacho, come on. Nacho, come here. Nacho, come here. Come here, Nacho. Nacho.
Nacho's like, I'm scared of that laughing baby. Why? Wait, so funny. Wait, so funny.
You want to try it with Rocky?
Sure.
Let's go see Rocky. Rocky's over here. Rocky. 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 Go, Rocky. Nacho. Nacho. Rocky and Nacho. Look at Rocky and Nacho.
He thinks they're funny for some reason.
Rocky, come here. Come here, buddy.
Uh-oh.
Nacho.
Nacho, leave Rocky alone.
Buddy. Hey, look at that. Look at Rocky. You like Rocky? You like Nacho better, huh? Hey, Nacho.
Nacho is funny looking.
Nacho.
He likes to watch them play.
You want to get down and play with them? You want to go down there and play with them? Nacho. Nacho.